Hi everyone, welcome to the Low Dairy channel. So today we are going to cook garden plants. Yeah, there are two kind of garden plants that we have. These ones are smaller ones, but there are also one that is bigger and round, just like an egg is. So today we are going to cook this with fish. We are going to mix it. You can cook this in so many ways. Yeah, you can cook this with silverfish, with fish, and even plain as it is. But today we are going to me and my other sister. So I'm going to show you the processes. So we are going to first start by cutting this into pieces, like into chops. So we first remove these ones. So we're going to cut this into smaller sizes. So it's done. Yeah, as you can see, we have cut it already. So I'm going to put this under the sun for about 30 minutes. Yeah, about 30 minutes is going to be enough, so it can wilt a little and the bad smell. Yeah, you know, garden eggplant has got some smell just like okra has. So when you put it in the sun, it wilts a little and then the smell goes away. So here it is. As you can see, it has wilted and it's ready to be cooked. Now as she makes the fire, this is what we always use for cooking. We only use charcoal. We don't use gas because we're in the village. We can't afford that, so we use charcoal for cooking always. Yeah. So our fire is set. It's ready to be used, and also getting our fish ready. Yeah, these are smoked fish. I don't know what type it is, but the way you can say, I already know you know what kind of fish it is. It's smoked fish, that's what I can say. So these two are enough because we are going to boil the fish and then we remove the bones. Yeah, that is how we cook it. We first smoke. We boil the fish when it has fully cooked, like when it's very soft, and then now we remove the bones. Now the amount of water that you can pour to boil the fish, it depends on the hardness, because some fish are really hard while others are soft. So you pour the amount of water that you feel it's okay to cook the fish. As you can see, the fish has already cooked itself. As we have boiled it already, so we are starting our frying. So she's cutting the onions are getting ready in the oil. Pigo chenye wang pole. Nakasuri ang hotel. So at this point the food is ready. Yeah, as you can see, it's ready. It has cooked. Also the garden eggplant, it has fully cooked. It's very soft. We always love to eat our food, I mean our garden eggplant, with ugali, the white flour. So you can watch how she's going to mingle, how she's going to make the white flour. A lot of people call it ugali. It goes so well with the food. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have watched from the beginning until the end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel in case you haven't. Also leave in your comment on how you always cook your garden eggplant. A lot of people have their different ways of cooking. I cannot say this is the best, but this is our style of cooking and we find it nice to us. So bye for now. See you in the next, okay, I mean see us in the next video. Thank you for watching.